Hello, this is Tamer with your weekly analysis for the Euro-US dollar currency pair. The Euro had a deceptively active week where it lost over 200 pips. We say it's deceptive because while it looks like an impulsive decline, it's actually much more likely to be a correction, particularly since it's yet to reach our invalidation point. Over the weekend, we had a chance to review our accounts and make minor modifications to some of the wave labels. This doesn't affect our outlook or previous expectations in any way, it just provides a more fitting count for the wave subdivisions. We're updating our counts to reflect the most recent price action and to present tighter targets and invalidation points. So moving to our main count on the 6-hour chart, the bigger picture sees the euro moving towards the downside in intermediate wave A, which is forming an impulse labeled minor waves 1 through 5. Minor wave 3 formed an impulse labeled minute waves 1 through 5 and has reached nearly 261.8% the length of minor wave 1. Within it, minute wave 5 unfolded as an impulse labeled minute waves 1 through 5, well exceeding 100% the length of minute wave 1 and coming close to reaching 100% the length of minute wave 3. Within it, minute wave 1 formed a leading diagonal labeled subminute waves 1 through 5. Minute wave 3 formed an impulse labeled subminute waves 1 through 5, exceeding 161.8% the length of minute wave 1. Minute wave 4 retraced 38.2% of minute wave 3, and minute wave 5 reached 100% the length of minute wave 1, driving minor wave 3 to come very close to reaching 261.8% the length of minor wave 1. Minor wave 4 is probably unfolding as a double combination labeled minute waves W, X, and Y, where minute wave W formed a zigzag labeled minute waves A, B, and C, where minute wave B formed a running triangle labeled subminute waves A through E, and minute wave C reached 161.8% the length of minute wave A. Minute wave X formed a double zigzag labeled minute waves W, X, and Y, retracing over 61.8% the length of minute wave W, and this count expects the euro to make one more upwards push in minute wave Y to complete minor wave 4. The MACD indicator supports this count by showing a bullish crossover, although it's not yet very definitive. At 1.2960, minor wave 4 would retrace 38.2% of minor wave 3, then at 1.3001, minute wave Y would reach 100% the length of minute wave W. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.3504, as minor wave 4 within this impulse may not enter the price territory of minor wave 1. No invalidation point may be placed on the lower end at this point, as the pattern may unfold as an expanded flat or a more complex formation. That's all for our analysis for this week. I wish you profitable trading and see you next time.